Welcome to WPA Tech Training, Device Identification. Today we are going to be talking about how device tags, device labels, device identification helps us with identifying motors and field devices. A bucket, a motor or device has a black label. We are going to go over all of the parts of that label so that you are better informed on where devices live and how they get back to the control panels and the MCC rooms. Here's a typical device label. On the top is the bucket location. It tells us where it's located at in the MCC. The MCC is divided into columns, typically numbered from left to right. The MCC is usually divided into sections as well, usually going up numerically. The MCC room also has rows of letters to help us identify and organize the MCC. If we look at our motor tag again, we will see that our bucket is in MCC 3, column 10A. First, we check to make sure we are in the correct MCC. We find column 10 and follow down until we reach our letter. Here is our bucket. Next, we have a unique number, in this case a motor number. Then we have the description of the device, which is unique to each device. Now, we go into some of the information we have below. These values are unique to a motor. This is a 5 horsepower motor. It has an FLA of 6.5. FLA stands for full load amps. The FLA is defined as the maximum allowed current before the motor overheats. It lives in this network and it has a PLC address, which we will later get into. All of these pieces of information tell us where to go when we troubleshoot. These tags are not just on motors. We see these tags on gates, level sensors, and syncron controllers. Here is an example of a level sensor that has a part in controlling the previous motor we just saw. As you can see, this motor and sensors are on the same line and given similar tag IDs. This helps a ton with troubleshooting. Now going back to the level sensors tag. It has a unique number, a description as well, a PLC address, and some information unique to a device. In this case, it's a set and endpoint for the laser. In summary, field device labels helps us to identify devices and locate the device either in the MCC, PLC, or the control panel. These labels also give important information about the device such as motor horsepower or current limits. Another main utility of these tags are to aid in troubleshooting. Through the use of field device tags, we can operate within the plant more efficiently.